We should be back live here for morning session. So for all of you new tuning in here, I just updated my indicator, my software, keep building it. So we have close confirmed, and we have a few box fixed, and then more added to it. Again, regarding the breakout window in minutes, it's going to close and stop after 30 minutes. We could change this to 120 minutes. Then we have a setup during the day, and then I can let you know if I take something right today with all of you. So I mean, market is just like really like pushing to new highs, and it's quite amazing. I mean, it's just been giving us lots of momentum these days, and we just have to basically accept it and kind of like live with it, and that's just it, right? So market is just pushing to new previous day's highs, and it's breaking out. I really want to short the market right now, but I'm not super sure that will be smart. I just see DAX all the time pushing, and after we have pushed, it start correcting itself. I've been seeing it so many times. So I'm thinking about just taking a short with you right here around 8:30. I haven't taken anything yet, so just calm yourself down. No rush at all. It's just kind of like test trade for me personally. I know we opening up pretty strong, but after 8-10 minutes, we could see a quick rejection or a quick sell-off in DAX again, and that's kind of like what I'm betting on a shorter time frame. We're pushing really strong here at opening. Doesn't have to be perfect. So I haven't done anything, but I really want to short the market myself personally, and then take a potential short back to overnight lows or potential previous day's lows. But if it just goes up, and I just have to accept it and kind of like live with the market is just strong, right? But overall idea of shorting the market very quick was actually correct. So I see something that most don't see, right? And then you're like, yeah, Matt, everyone can say that. Did you actually took it? I did, right? While just sitting and talking with you. Very light. I just saw a little movement here, and I don't want to like let you know that, hey, I was shorting it here and closing in 5 seconds, and then have to rush it and publish that in the Telegram. But I'm just telling you my thoughts that after 10 minutes, after such a big push, I think it could get rejected, and I think it could start selling off again. So I'm just informing you and telling you about my overall idea and my overall thoughts, so you don't go in and just buy it and hope and like, oh, this is gonna go up now and we're just gonna go long now because it's breaking previous day's highs. No, that's why I'm just informing you. I think it's gonna go down. But I'm not saying, hey, go in and short it with lots of leverage and take it back. No, I'm just informing you that, hey, I think it's gonna correct itself quick, and then we might get a signal in a couple of minutes if it actually push and actually manage to close above 40 or something. Then we're gonna go for long. I just see it all the time for NASDAQ, for DAX. We're pushing right at opening, and then it's correcting itself right back. So let's see here. Okay. So it did exactly what I expected. Pushed the first 10 minutes, then correcting itself just a little bit, not much. I haven't decided what I want to do. Let's look at the UK 100. But again, I don't decide, I just follow the system. So I can see it on my screen at UK, it's kind of like moving up, overnight highs, and then correcting itself. And I think DAX will do the same. So I will personally take a short position of the DAX right here and have a stop loss in place. But let's see here, because it doesn't really seem to, I mean, could it go lower? Of course. That's why I informed you. I'm waiting a little bit here. I'm just gonna wait 3 more minutes and then I'll decide. So we have UK that's actually correcting itself, actually selling off. What about NASDAQ? That's also interesting. We're gonna have news today, so today is a very interesting day to trade. This is where we could be making good amount of money. Yesterday was horrible. There's no news, there's nothing that could really drive the market either. Yeah. So I mean, yesterday was hard because it pushed and then we took a long fall of the system, kind of like correct. And then it doesn't really matter to continue after 10 minutes over 4. And I just said to myself, if we don't close above 650, close above in the next couple of minutes, I'm out and I exit my position for profit, little profit. So let's see here. We're recovering. So it was kind of like a little scalp. Exactly as I expected. Let's see here. Still think it could be a good short, just letting you know. I mean, you look at NASDAQ, right? NASDAQ is trading around yesterday highs. Wall Street not doing much. DAX could be a very good intense short right here. I mean, if you look at the UK, is kind of like dumping a little bit. So I think that could be a good move for the DAX to also short it. I'll open a light short position. I'm just a little bit careful here. If I will do something, I would like to open a short. Around 40 maybe. Let's see. I just opened the short position. So I just opened a little short position here, guys. I'll have a tight stop loss, very tight stop loss, and target overnight lows. It doesn't have to work. It can push me out. The most important is we don't break above 900 and close above 900. Then I'm all good. So let's see. I'll also publish the trade here. I just think it's a good reversal. Again, don't just randomly mirror me or copy me, whatever. I mean, you could mirror me, but I mean, just so you know, taking this trade based on a potential reversal. I don't have time to publish the trade. I'm just in. So that's also why you should be tuning in here. Doesn't have to work. I'm risking 0.2% here. I'm probably going to target 1%, something like that. Let's see. This is going to break below 800. Doesn't seem to work. Let's see. Probably moving my stop loss. I think it could push a little bit more, and I would like to move it to around 66 just for now. Still under 0.5% risk. There's really no close above. It could be rejected. I mean, the only reason why I'm shorting it is because Nasdaq is selling off below 600, and UK 100 is also selling off. I mean, let me share it so you can actually see what I mean. This is the only reason why I'm shorting it, and I mean, you don't have to. But this is the only reason why I'm shorting it. I think we're gonna reach previous day's lows on DAX. See what Nasdaq. See what the UK 100 is doing, right? And Nasdaq is also selling off a bit. Doesn't have to work, but this is also Nasdaq. So I'm expecting price for DAX to also correct itself, but it doesn't have to. So if we do not correct itself in the next couple of minutes, I'll just exit my position. I mean, DAX could really sell off heavily. I mean, it could sell off 100 points, like very quick. We saw that on UK. And I mean, do UK really continue, or was it just a fake up? Let's check. It keeps selling off. It keeps dumping. And now I'm in profit. Good profit. Let's see here. Doesn't have to work. Let's see. Are we really gonna have break of structure? Or this goes just gonna be very slow. Not much confirmation. I thought it would do quicker. Thinking about exit my short. We over 20 minutes soon and no progress. Let's see here. But there's an overall reason why I'm shorting it. I think it could work out. Let's see. Still holding it. Still holding the short with no progress. Still think it could sell off 50 points. That's why I'm short. Just letting you know. Come on. Bounce. Are we gonna break below now? Come on, go below 15, 8.15, then I think it's gonna move down. Okay, I'll exit my position now. So I'm out. I've closed my position full here at 8.10. I mean, was that a great trade? Nope. It's just making some profit. I cannot be perfect. So I mean, you can exit your trade, and we could take a trade again to today here. Let's see. Let's see. Do you want to go short again? Yeah, I could like to. Could like to go short again. I actually want to go short. But I probably exit too early. I'm just aware of that push down. I don't know if you saw it, but that candle right there, the third candle, we could stop here and then bounce up again. That's why I exit a little bit before time. We could also break below. Okay, so I was right about that one. I want to really have an orb short. I think the UK is gonna try to bounce back, and I think Nasdaq may be also gonna hold for now. And if we do, then we accepting it. So it did exactly what I expected. But while everyone went long and based on hope they go in, they don't. Yeah, I should have held it. Still think it's a short, to be honest. I actually want to re-enter my short and actually want to target the overnight lows or previous day's lows. I actually want to open short again. I'm just trying to time it. That was stupid. The exit, but again, I made money. I made good money, around 1.8k. Still good. Nasdaq is selling off. UK, is that breaking below previous day's lows? I don't think so. No, just holding, bouncing up again here. Yeah, okay. Not much progress. Still think it's a short. I would like to go in again around 800 if that could be possible. I don't think so. Still think it's going to sell off at least 30 points more. Let's see, after 20 minutes. Yes, the buffer where we have to close above, and also the buffer where we have to close below. Should I go short? Should I stay cash? Not much momentum, to be honest. A little bit slow. Let's see if my other indicator actually manage to come in with something. Just wants to see here. Nope, not really. But there's no orb, there's really nothing. There's no orb, nothing. I want to go short again. Probably gonna like to short it here again. The issue here is shorting it is I think it could bounce very quick back and take these out and then give us a fake out or just a orb long on 15 and 5 minutes, and then it might retrace around 900. So I think it could push from here to 900, but I'm also aware that this could sell off back to overnight lows and even lower. So how can we take this trade here without it's going to affect us? By going short, stop loss here, and risk very little, and then just leave the screen, go for a long walk, and then just set our target at previous day's lows. That's what we could do. It's not really moving any, but I will take a short now, guys. Anyway, so I just opened a short again, right here at 93. Let's see. I like to target the previous day's lows. Doesn't have to work. It doesn't have to work. So I have a meeting at 10. I have to prepare that with the bank. So I'm gonna exit here, guys. So exit the position. I'm just gonna go in here to my private account and exit. So everything is exit now at 82. We made a little bit profit today. Very slow. Let's see. I'm out. I have no open positions. I'm done for the session. Can you set and forget and have a stop loss right there and then just hold it? Yeah, you could do that. I think you should do that. I'm not. I'm just a person that like to go in, make money, and then bounce. That's probably why I'm here today and was able to kind of like retire and just do this, because I'm not greedy and I take $4,000 or $5,000 and I'm done. So that was it for me.